just hurt, so then she left. Slammed doors and broken glasses. I went back to the minute when I said, hey, 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 I hate you. Fighting over stupid things. Don't even mind whose fault it is. No, I sit now, we're both sick of this, so let's take a break.
Of the day. Bubble tea, like we're just hacks, kind of. At work, before I had to wear this Bessie's house. We don't have any workers today, so no one's able to bring me if I don't come here first. Breakfast. The aesthetic today. Go edit another video. I'm done. Almost done editing one more video. I'll upload tonight. Princess, here is your gyys.
Oh, thank you. Oh shit. Oopsies.
I need to find mine. I don't know where mine went.
This one? Yours or this one?
Like these two. These two are matching.
Oh, these are so cute. I don't have a stranger
Collection. Look at her huge collection.
Oh, let me look it up.
Oh, so cute. Oh, but I really like. Oh, I can't choose actually. Yeah, it did. You're gonna have to scribble on your face because it's reflective on here. This is her whole collection. So cute. Oh my god. She really wanted to go in. She's like a little kid.
Tammy, get in!
Me?
Yeah!
I need to go to work later. This is Marilyn. Yeah, she's having lots of fun. You're gonna be the main thing in my vlog, just letting you know. This is Marilyn. Oh my god, so pretty. This is my outfit. This is my outfit. She's the tallest. Oh my god, I'm filming underwater. Not really.
It's actually really pretty if you look underwater.
But I can't go underwater. You're the main attraction. No, she's being bi right now.
Viki, why did you jump in? Like, we're not getting all bloody. No, you won't.
Sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah, if you have my son,
But you can't risk it.
there's water.
Yeah, wait, Marilyn, help.
What if I just stand on it?
She's coming in.
Stand on it!
You gonna come?
Oh, gonna come in.
No. Okay, one person then. Oh my god. Yeah, you just stay over there. Don't come in anymore. Yeah, us two swimmers and then those two sitters. Oh, now we're growling. Yeah, she's growling at me. She's growling!
Okay.
Jump into it. Yeah. Yeah, ichi-ni-san. Yeah, arigato. Okay, I think I got it. She's water. They're fighting. They're splashing water. They are the villains in the story. Just get this huge one. They can't. You want me to put this over your head? They're both refilling. Watch out, Haley. Watch this. What the hell? She jumped! Oh my god! She's under water. She's under. Wow, that's what you deserve. That's abusive, you ever did. She just admitted she abusive. I never hit Viki. That means you hit other people? Yeah. You hit us. I was one of her victims. Yeah, I was one of her victims. Oh no. I don't hit other people. I'm very kind. These hands are not for hitting. They're for helping. Call me the Rizzler. Such a liar. A liar. She's still model. No, I know model. Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Barbie. You have to say hi, Barbie back. Hi, Barbie. She's the swimming Barbie. Oh my god, you actually look like Barbie. See when I laugh. We should wear Viki. She's super evil and she's been splashing us. Oh, she's a mermaid. You guys hear that? She's never coming back. We're gonna go out and eat Korean and Japanese food. I went there with my sister before. I should you guys didn't know, but I fell. He said I felt really cartoonish. I fell backwards. I was trying to kick Sharon. Oh, it's so cute. We're heading out, but I like fell like really hard. But like I didn't hit my butt or anything. It didn't even hurt. It was just funny that I fell. Fish here again. This is so pretty. Oh my god, look at her. We taught her how to use chopsticks in like 5 minutes, or actually what? Take We got our bimbo sauce. Oh really? You just like mix everything together. That's definitely seafood. No, it's chicken and vegetables. There's no seafood in here. That's not Oh, it's like kind of like lo mein, right? It's kind of like lo mein, like noodles.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, but this is what she got.
It's
This is really crispy. Take one. And do you want to try a fried chicken later? Like just try one? Sure, we'll take one. Can you split it in half so both of us? Can you split with your pasta? There's a Sanrio one here. It's pom-pom puree and cinnamon roll. What? There's a pom-pom puree.
Sharon?
A Sanrio character.
I can't say I can't hear you.
Sanrio
cinnamon.
Yeah, and pom-pom puree.
What's your favorite?
Between the two,
Sanrio.
My Melody or Hello Kitty.
Karopi on top with Choco Cat. Underrated.
People. Oh, we got so much. We can always take out if we can't finish. Just try one of each.
You also use it for everything?
Chopstick? Yeah.
Even noodles?
Noodles you use chopstick and then rice you could also use chopstick.
And then you just dropped it. No, on the floor, like right there. I was just like,
You're learning though. We have one more and I'll donate one to them. Oh, I was talking to Vicky.
you can take it.
Oh no, you need one more.
Are you just gonna grab the chicken?
Oh yeah,
There's three right there.
just
The
give
ones
us,
that are outside. Three.
just split one in half. Cause we're kind of full. We're full. Huh?
You grab it. Because I don't want to touch it with my fingers. So like, I was gonna give you a pinch.
Favorite song, Marilyn? Chicken tempura. Oh wait, this one tastes
This
good.
one's Nicole's favorite song.
Hmm?
It's Nicole's favorite song, not mine. No, she actually
No, I'm like saying it sarcastically because you were talking about how it's not because I remember Lauren played it in fashion class and then you're like, I don't like this song.
No, I absolutely hate it. That's just so bad.
I'll just pack this up and then we'll eat this and maybe pack the rest up too. Time to pack. It's a little bit. We'll just get one. Chicken fried, Korean fried chicken. Maybe it was, I don't remember. It's like a tiny bit. Wait, she's good at spice. It's spicy, so try one. You gotta take a whole one. No, it actually was kind of
Is it?
We're just not good at Chinese Asian people. We're not good with that. It's like sweet and spicy. Oh, look at her eating that chopstick up. I think I have to go to work soon, so I'll just get water from there. I'll take that.
Yes.
Because I promised my brother I'll take this home last time. We finished it. No, we finished it. My sister finished it for me.
You have a brother?
Yeah. A 9-year-old brother. You've seen him before. Donut shop. Is it okay? Oh, those are so cute. I love that one though. I would low-key wear that. Her mom. We'll see. It's so cute.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta hurry. Oh, it's so cute. Oh wait, I want food. It's so cute. Yeah. It's cute. So this is what I got. Hot chocolate chip, oatmeal, nuts. It's really good, actually. I'm really big. My mom and dad are bickering with each other. Like they're being petty to each other. Let's try the oatmeal one then. I got these. There, try one. It's really good. It's a tad undercooked, so I might just bake it a little longer at home. Is that like a flower? My dinner and John's house. John's house chicken. Crispy and yummy. I'm just so kind of full. But I eat dinner. It's 7 right now, and lots of orders coming in, so I'm quite busy. I could not eat my dinner in peace. Just packed the order for delivery. I'm going to take out the egg rolls. I'm going to take out the John's house.
봐.
The franchise are almost done. Almost. It's done. So gotta hurry up. Leaving record. Yay. Oh, it looks so pretty. Back home. I'm gonna try the donut now with my brother. I'm gonna take a photo. Like that. And it has glitter. Oh, it's so cute. Take another pic. This is how it looks. Oh, it looks so delicious. I cut the donut in half. Ooh. Ooh. So yummy. Okay. Eat some. It's literally the same. Yippee. Come, sit over here. How's close? It's good. It's good? I should make it. Oh, it's a muffin upside down. It's a muffin, actually. Oh. And then they just put that. The frosting's good. And then like these sprinkles are chocolate. The frosting tastes like something, but I can't think of it. It's really good. Oh. And like the 2 huge cookies and this was like only $10. I think that's a deal. It looks so cozy outside right now. Can't wait for fall. I've seen my video on this huge big screen. Oh my god. About to brush my teeth and head to sleep because it's 10. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna see if I can wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Because tomorrow's the last day before school. Tomorrow will be a fun video. I'm kind of excited for school, you know, it's my senior year, you know? But yeah, I'll try to wake up at 5. I'll let you guys know in tomorrow's vlog. Yay, my cute doggy. Oh, I need to give it a name. I'll think of one. Maybe that'll be the end of today's vlog. It was a really fun day at my bestie's house with my 2 other friends and my bestie's friends. Like, it's both our friends, that's what I mean. It was a fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Found a little cute bakery that always been there, but I never seen. but that'll be the end. Subscribe if you haven't, like this video, comment anything, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Have a nice sleep. Sweet dreams. Bye.